What's up you all people, I am back with another awesome Mafia City video, and guys, it's stats update time. It's already 1 month past since I made a previous video on my stats update, and in that video guys, I reached 600 shooter attack and I claim that I am going to reach 700 shooter attack in this video. So I'm going to give you my stats update on my account, what I did to increase my stats investment and everything guys. This video is going to be very important if you are trying to grow the stats. We are all in this journey together guys, so this video is going to be very important, so watch this video until the end. But before we move any further in this video, if you are new to this channel, then make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe to the channel and turn on bell icon notification for more awesome Mafia City video. We are so near to 5k subscribers and I'm going to announce a big Mafia City pack as soon as we are going to reach 5k subscribers. So make sure to click that shiny red button to participate in that giveaway. Without any delay, I'm going to show you my stats directly guys. So guys, these are my stats with all the buff guys, 20% buff of attack and defense, and these are my stats guys, and nothing else, no crime ops buff, anything. So as you can see on the screen, it's 641 guys. So what went wrong? I claimed that I'm going to get 700 shoot attack. So guys, the thing what happened was that everything was on point, everything go right, but the problem guys come after the migration. And as you can, before migration I was in a decent big clan guys, and from there guys I was going to get vigilante fragments guys every week from that clan. But as soon as migration and not so much people left in the city, so the problem starts at that point guys. I was not able to collect vigilante fragments that I needed to get Ethan guys. So guys, if I will get Ethan, I will be 700% shooter attack almost. So that's where the problem starts guys. But it was my decision to stay in the city because there are a lot of more things that I can do now I can grow a lot more faster, but I'm not going to get the vigilante fragments that I necessarily need. So that thing is going to be delay for now, as this account I have, as in this account guys, I'm not going to buy any pack. In this non-spender account so far it's 641 shooter attack. So now I'm going to explain you what I did to get here. So the first thing guys, as I told in my 600% shooter attack, was that I'm going to get this golden code guys. As you can see on the screen, as I promised in my 600% stats update, it's here. The attribute guys is not so much good for now and it requires a lot of gold guys. So guys, it's definitely a lot expensive, so I'm trying to collect gold so that I'm going to get both of them at golden quality guys. So this is it for now. I promise I get this. So this one also helped me to increase my stats a lot, as you can see. Now the another thing guys, it's very important that it helped me, was my hitman investment, and I'm going to show you on your screen. As you can see, a lot of hitman investment I do, and especially guys 99% of the investment was in this category. I'm trying to max this whole thing out, and I think in my 600 stats update video I was doing the same, and I'm still doing now. And the goal is to get this one and max this full thing out guys. It's going to benefit you a lot, and there are whole couple of them, not just guys shooter. You can do for biker, you can do for bulker guys. So this one is very important, and this is the one I'm trying to do. For shooter I'm going to max this out. Hopefully until next month I'm going to get it to 80% complete. So let's see how it's going to go. So this one also I did to increase my stats. Now the another thing guys, my level guys, at that time I was at 46 level. Now guys I'm at 47 level, and these are my skills guys. Leader talent, a lot of people was asking me, you did not show your leader talent and skills. So guys, these are my skill, as you can see on your screen. So 47 level. It's also helped me to increase my shooter attack by 14%, if I believe. Yes, this one guys, this one I increased 14% shooter attack from this one. So this is where I also get 14% stats. So these are the thing guys I did. I know Ethan was missing. If I will get Ethan, I will be 700% shooter attack almost. So that's the thing I did. And also guys, an update was that, as you can see, I made a level 43 weapon, and that was guys very good. It's going to increase my biker attack a lot, because as you all know, I am still playing biker. It's needed in real city attack. Shooter doesn't do any good until so far. Shooter doesn't do any good, so that's why I made this equipment. So in other things guys too, I'm trying to improve in my bulker, also increase a lot of stats in my bulker. So I'm doing all things at the same time, but the focus is a little bit more on shooter. So that was the update video guys. If you have any question, any doubt, any suggestion, do let me know in the comment section below guys. It really helped a lot guys. We are in this together, all of you. If you like this video, make sure to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel for more update and more awesome Mafia City videos. That's it for now guys. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care, stay safe, and peace.